guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily, and in this video, I'm with my brother Joshua.
Hi.
And everyone's been asking for a video with him, so finally, here it is. He thinks he's so cool. He's always on his phone, because he just got it. But, in this video, we are going to be doing a little challenge thing, where either me or him gets blindfolded, and he picks the slime, and I'm blindfolded and I have to guess what it is by like the texture and the scent. But like if you think it's really liquidy, then do not give it to me. That would be horrible. And then he'll be blindfolded and I'll pick a slime. But he doesn't know all the slimes as good as me, so we'll see. He knows some of the scents. But yeah. So let's get started. Okay guys, so my brother's gonna put a bandana on me and then find a slime. Don't put perfect. Is it on?
Yep.
Okay, can they see me?
Yep.
Okay. Kinda wanna breathe, so yeah. Which one is he picking? Can they see you? Go.
Yes, they can.
Is it in front of me?
Okay.
Am I good?
Right there.
It's a foam. I can't even smell. I think I know what this one is. Yeah, it's like a kind of a butter slime. I think it's like something like honey mallow.
Yep, honey mallow bar.
Yay! That scent. I can smell it.
Okay.
There we go. And then I have one more round, and then I'll blindfold him, and he will get to do 2 rounds.
And I'm just gonna go for the scent because I don't really know slimes.
Yeah. Ready? Nope. Ready?
Yep.
I literally just played with this one last time. I don't remember the name. Like kind of tropical, I can't smell. The colada, what's it? The colada?
Scented pina colada.
Yes, that one.
Yep.
I love that.
Okay.
It's a good slime.
Okay, I'm gonna blindfold you. Ta-da. I'm gonna blindfold you.
I love that. It's hard to smell through there when you can't. And this is going to be harder for him because he won't know slimes as well as I do. Ugh, I got slime sticks. Can you see?
Your eyelashes into your eyes. Oh gosh, I can't see what I'm doing. Oh shit, somebody's calling.
Zedota. I don't know. Technical difficulties.
Yeah.
You see? So guys, he's blindfolded. Hello. And I am going to pick out a slime. I'll do this one. Right here. It's this. Yes. I think he'll know the scent for sure. Here you go.
It's like a butter slime.
Kinda. Yeah.
Clay slime.
Smell it.
Oh, what is that?
You should get this
It's like
one.
apple pear
Apple
something.
pear.
It's like apples. Like
It's not apples.
bitter apples. Yes, it is. It's apples. I'm telling you, it's apples.
It's not apples.
Is it cream cheese something?
I don't have cream cheese then.
That is
smell. You
a
don't
fruit.
want-
It's like a fruit.
It's not a fruit.
Yes, it is.
It's not a fruit.
What is it?
It's bubble gum.
Oh, yeah.
Now once you smell it, you're like, yeah. Duh.
It smells like apples if you don't know what it is. Like really bitter apples. Like those green ones that are super tart.
Okay, let's pick another one. We'll do this one. He's never played with this one before.
Is it gonna stick to me?
Let me see. No, it shouldn't. Sizzles. Oh my gosh.
It's almost like Jello.
It's
It's sticking to my hands.
yeah, he can't see it.
Ooh, that smells good.
Do you need a little activator?
We can do that after.
What do you think?
It's one of the scents you have. I know that for a fact. Right?
Yep. I honestly don't even remember. He almost got stuck to him. He's so tall, I feel like.
Peach?
Oh god.
Peach.
Is
it a fruit? Is it a fruit?
It's getting over. No. Oh, I know what it is now.
Is
It's a sweet scent.
Oh, is it like that honey?
Remember? Scent that I have.
I know what type of.
It's a sweet scent.
I've smelled it before.
You've smelled it?
It's like some. What's it called? Isn't it yellow? It's yellow, right?
Nope, it's purple.
It's chocolate.
Yes, it's almost that. Almost that.
We
We mixed this with another scent.
We mixed it chocolate and some other oatmeal, a cookie.
Yeah.
Oatmeal cookie.
Yes, oatmeal cookie dough.
Is it the brown ugly poop slime?
No, it's purple, remember? Guys.
You wanna help me out there?
I'll help him out.
Thank you.
You can't even see because the glasses. Just keep your eyes closed. But it's a really nice one, actually. Okay. So we got all the slime off of him, kind of, sort of. And we're going to do one more round. And I think... Ooh. I think this one. He used to be obsessed with this slime.
Oh,
What do you think it is?
it's the lemon poppy seed.
Oh my god, yes.
Where is it at?
It's right here, but you already know what it is.
I love that slime.
Yeah, he loves that slime.
It's the only one I play with.
Let's do...
Oh,
I can't get through it. That was my mouth. We're gonna pick one of
What
these.
It's like a stick
An
of some
activator
sort.
squeezer. What did I grab? Okay, this one. Oh, we're gonna do this one. This one is overactivated, but it won't stick to you. And it's amazing. Right there.
Oh, whoa.
Oh, whoa, it just came out.
Ooh. Oreo?
Yes.
Oreo milkshake thicky or something.
Oreo milkshake. Hey. Yeah, that's he.
So have like a
Oreo
Pizza.
milk thickie.
Oreo milk sticky. So I was kind of close.
Well, you said Oreo milk
Don't
shake
you also have
thingy.
like a pizza dough one that you like?
Mhm.
And what's the other one? Garlic bread?
Yep.
Okay. I'm done.
Good job. So we guessed 2 out of 3 with some clues. That was pretty good.
I got 1 out of 3 technically without clues. Oh, thanks for letting me borrow your glasses.
Okay. Well, thanks for watching, guys. This was kind of fun.
This is like glue.
We'll see you guys next time. Bye.